Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to add string to a variable and how to add string to string and how to add variable to variable and what is local variable and local variable. In previous tutorial, we had seen what is variable, how we are going to create variable and how we are going to assign different values to a variable, right? So now we'll continue with that. How I am going to concatenate a string to a variable in Python by using plus symbol. That's what I will write here to combine both, yeah, both text and a variable. We are going to use plus symbol in Python. In general, we are going to use plus symbol for addition, right? In the same way in Python also, if you are working with numericals, it's going to add normally. If not, you are working with strings, it's going to concatenate it. Okay, just within few minutes we will see what's the difference. Okay, see, just I will assign awesome to my x variable. See here I am creating a variable and I am assigning awesome to it. Awesome. And I want to print Python is awesome, so I am using print statement. Inside the print statement I am giving, sorry, Python is awesome. So awesome is inside my x, right? So just I am using plus symbol. Now I am concatenating Python is a string, right? And that string to my x variable. So just I am giving the variable name here, right? Yeah, now I will run this. See, at the end it's printing Python is awesome, right? So now we had seen how to concatenate string to variable, right? Now we will see how to concatenate variable to variable. Now I will say x is equal to Python is. Python is, right? Yeah. In y I will say awesome. Okay, awesome. Now I will print what I have to do here. I am trying to concatenate x and y variables, right? So just I will give x plus y. How we can concatenate in Python? By using plus symbol, right? So that's what I am doing here. X plus y. Just I will try to print this. See here, Python is awesome for this first print statement, and Python is awesome for print of x plus y. Okay, so two print statements here, and both of Python is awesome, Python is awesome. Now we will see how it's going to work with numericals in Python. So you may confuse. So just we will see within 1 minute. Okay, without wasting any time. So the x, so y equal to 2. So it's going to be 12, right? So print x plus y, and I will run this. See here it's printing 12. See here you have to see when we are trying to concatenate variables or string to a variable, it's working as a concatenation, right? If we are trying to do same for the integers, it's working as general numeric addition, right? See here it's printing 12 when I am trying to add integers, sorry, data values. When I am trying to do with string, it's work as a concatenation. What happens if I try to concatenate string to a integer value, right? It's going to be error. Just that also we will see. Okay, just I will say x is John. Okay, and I will say y is equal to 5. I am trying to concatenate John 5. So just I will print x plus y, and we will see what's the output here. it's, it's definitely going to throw an error, right? See it's, yeah, see here it's throwing an error in 54th line. Print x plus y can only concatenate string, not integer to string. That's what I am saying. Okay, so we cannot concatenate strings and integers. Okay, this is all about concatenating. Now we'll see what is a local variable and what is global variable here. First we will see what is a global variable. Okay, so just I will write here global variable. Global variable can be used by anywhere inside and outside the function, and variables that are created outside the function we are going to call it as a global variable. First, just I will create a function here. For creating a function we are going to use def keyword, right? That also I will write here. So we will use def keyword for creating a function. Okay, so just by defining def of, I will just say my function. Okay, and I have to end with colon. Now inside my function, if I create any variable, that is called as local variable. If I create x is equal to something, if I say something, anything, just I will say Python, then it is called as local variable. Okay, so this is called as local variable. But here we are discussing about global variable, right? So what is global variable here? If we do same thing outside the function, so this is what I had done is inside the function, right? So now if I say x is equal to awesome, then this variable, this x, is going to be global variable. It can use outside the function and also it can use inside the function. Okay, now just I will try to use this x variable inside the function which I had created outside the function. Okay, so just I will say print of what I had given there, awesome, right? So Python, just I will say Python is awesome. So just I will say x here. Now what I have to do? I have to call my function to work with, right? So just I will call my function. I will run this again. One can only concatenate. Okay, this previous error. That one is previous error. And what we are doing here, we are concatenating Python is awesome, right? So just I will remove this one. It's showing an error. Yeah, just will run again. See at the end it's printing Python is awesome after 12. So it's just saying Joel on 5 we are not able to concatenate. Now we had seen that, right? So if see here what I am doing, here I have given x outside the function, right? My function, this x variable is outside the function, right? Variable is outside the function, but I am using that variable inside the function, right? But inside the function and it's working fine. This is called as global variable which I can use outside the function as well as inside the function. Now I am using this inside the function, right? Now I will try to print outside the function. So here print Python is plus x, so it's going to be awesome. Now I will run this. Oh no, it's saying some error. 55th line. Oh, it's came down. So okay, just let me run this again. See here, two times is printing at the end. Okay, so one is for inside the function and another one is outside the function. Both are awesome, right? So it's working fine. Now this x is called as global variable. Now we'll see what is local variable here. Okay, so local variable, we will call, if I create a variable inside the function, it is called as local variable. Okay, So just we will do that. Just I will define my function. Inside my function I am creating x is equal to fantastic. Okay, x is equal to fantastic, and I want to print Python is fantastic. Okay, now I will call my function here. Okay, just I will call my function, and forgot to give print statement here, so I will give print statement. Print of what I am giving, Python is fantastic. So Python is, I have to use concatenate, right? So x, just I will run this. Let me remove this statement because it's showing error every time. It's going to waste of time for me, so just I will remove that and I will run this again. See here, it's printing now Python is fantastic. Where I had given that variable? Inside the function, right? Inside the function. So this is called as local variable, which we can work only inside that function. If I access that x outside the function, then it's not going to be printed. So just I will write here what I said. So here x is a inside the function only. If we try to access outside the function, it's not going to be work. See, just I will write that here, print Python is, and I will try to get x. Okay, now I will run this. See here, it's again printing awesome, but it's not printing fantastic. Inside the function only it's printing. Here for my function only it's printing Python is fantastic. But for here print statement which is outside the function, it's printing where I had given this x is awesome. Here I had given right outside the function. See, that's what it's called. That's why it's called as local variable, and that's why that is called as global variable, which is can be used inside the function and as well as outside the function. Then how I am going to convert local variable to global variable? See, you may think, after getting into some function I want to change the variable data and I want to give that specific data after that. So how I am able to do this? Is there any way to do this? Yes, is there. What we are going to do is we are going to use keyword global. Okay, so this global keyword can assign that variable to a global so that we can use inside the function as well as outside the function. Okay, so by using this we can convert a local variable into a global variable so that we can use inside and outside the function, so that we can use inside and outside the function. Okay, now we'll do with this method. Okay, by using global. So as we said, just I will create my function, and inside my function up to now I had not used the keyword global, right? Now I will say global x is equal to, now I will say fantastic. Okay, fantastic. And now I will try to access that variable outside the function. So just I will say print Python is sorry. I have to give x, right? Yeah. So plus x. And if I run now, are we going to get the result? No. Why? We are not call the function. Definitely we have to call to execute the function, right? So just I will call my function. So my function, now I will run this. Invalid syntax. Okay. I forgot to say that we are going to say global x and then we are going to give the data here. Okay. Then only it's going to be recognize it as a global variable. Now again I will run this. Sorry for that. See, now it's printing. See, before this function if I try to print x, it's printing awesome here. But after that function, after going to global x is equal to fantastic. If I try to sorry, see here, if I try to print the statement, then it's going to be print fantastic after going through this function. That's the main use of global variable and local variable, and this is all about variables. In next tutorial we will discuss about another topic.